Go do what you want to do.
I want money.
Go do what you want to do, man.
That's what I want to do.
Good morning again, guys. As we head on
no money,
home,
no fun. No money, no fun.
there are some issues that we are grappling with. I don't want to work with anybody else again. So I want to do my own business. One, I am thinking that we could get a garbage truck, register it with the government, and do contractual work. I am not sure. Chris used to operate a taxi, and I'm not sure if Chris is able to manage that. Two, we are thinking of putting part of the house on Airbnb. We're not sure how it's gonna go because I don't like persons in my private space. I don't like persons in my space. I don't like to see more than my husband alone when daylight. And three, I am thinking of running an after school. Yes, I am trained to teach. Me I teach baby. From me a baby, me I teach baby. But I'm asking you, for those who have experience in after school, what is it I would need to do, and do you think it is a good idea? Also, I think I could go around as an Alzheimer's, dementia, autism specialist and offer my service. That will require me to drive, which I don't want to do. I am also thinking of opening a retirement home because, as you know already, I am trained in gerontology, which is the care of the senior. So that is why I studied, that is what I studied here in Canada, that we were prepared to run retirement home, to build. That is what I trained here to do. And for those of you who might be aware, I have a little business in Canada already that I registered as a PSW. The insurance and all of that, as I say, I don't stress myself, but I have a little business here in Canada. So I have 1 million things on my head that I want to do. Because if you have money and will just pull it and use, if you have water in a tank and you just pull it and you don't restore the water, then you're gonna run dry. So I want to, and also to engage my mind and to get myself occupied. Because you know, so when you don't have nothing to do, the old bone them get wear and tear. So garbage truck, after school, Airbnb, Corona's, Alzheimer's, dementia care, or opening a retirement home. I have a whole heap of things on my head to flesh out which one of them I should jump at.